Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? Jump on here. So, just wanted to look at there's an LOL thing there. This is going to be my recurrence, the commission code review. It's actually my own product. I made this for you to be able to give away to make recurring income. Now, this is one of the biggest things that people have issues with, especially new affiliates, is learning how to make high ticket sales or how to get recurring income happening. Now, here's the unglamorous part. The best recurring income actually doesn't come from the affiliate products. It comes from the tools that affiliates need. So just let that sink in. It's not about that product getting them into a product that has a recurring fee. It's actually about getting them into traditional products that any business needs to have success. And what I'm talking about is domains, hosting, autoresponders, website builders, tracking utensils, SEO software, all these kind of things. This is where the real sort of bread and butter recurring income comes from. Um, what and you'll find so many affiliate programs that have those as sort of the back engine, and there's links in there, and that's the secret to get to creating recurring income. Yeah, and one source might make you $300 a month over here, and this source over here makes you $200, and this source makes you $400, and this source makes you $600, and this one makes you $2,500, right? So all those things together build up to a very good income. And if the person you get them in front of are going to use those tools, this income could be generated for years and years. So that's what this is all about. Okay, this is what recurrence, the commission code, is. So I know a lot of people go out there and they want to find a product that's going to pay them a recurring income. Well, that's great. Put that product in there, but it's getting them into those it's what is called software as a service tools that pay a recurring fee, on and on and on. Okay, hopefully you can wrap your head around that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to talk about the recurrence, the commission code, how we use it, how you can get it, guys. You can get it totally free. You can take it and then go make it your own. Whatever you get access to it. It's totally like you could take it and break it apart yourself, or you get the raw data from me for $10, and then you could do whatever you want. And then I've got a couple other offers in there. So let's go over this thing, exactly what it is. So, oops, I'm on screen still. Okay, so this is just the landing page. And guys, again, you can copy this. There's a way to make $1,059.97 today if you sold the whole funnel, and I'll show you what the funnel consists of in this. But basically, it's a PDF that you're going to give away. So it starts here, right? So what happens is the person comes here, they go introducing recurrence, learn the secret of consistent month after month recurring affiliate commissions. Start right now, right here. You unlock it, it pops up, it says sorry, no bots. Earn 10 starting today, right? So boom, you put in your email. So what you're taken to is a download page, and what you end up getting is a PDF that's this. Now, if you pay the $10, you get the Word document of this to make it your own, right? Or if you have the PDF, you can then, if you really wanted to, I don't care, you can go copy it and make your own version of it if you want. But it's much easier just to pay me the $10 for what I did for you, and you get it all done for you. So what happens here? So this is what you're going to be giving away. It just basically, it's an outline. It's a really simple outline for someone who's getting started in affiliate marketing, or someone who's struggling in affiliate marketing, to get these fundamentals. This is the bricks of your affiliate marketing business, okay, guys? And that's why it's really important for everyone to have these things. So first off, a website. So these two, both website and hosting, these come together. Now, what you'd want to do is these both point to Namecheap right now. Now, I also promote another server company called A2, but I thought just for getting you guys set up, it's really easy to get a website and hosting. And these two links you would go to. So in order to get your affiliate link, you have to go to Share Sale, find Namecheap, request to be an affiliate there, show them a web page, right? So what you want to do is set up a website, just a basic, like I've got, let me show you a couple of my websites. So affiliate profit pages, I don't want to give you the back office. So this is one of the websites that I use. Oh, it goes to a landing page. There we go, the blog here. See it's all about capturing the emails, guys. Okay, so this is one of them. This is one of my sites. It's got reviews on it. This will probably get anywhere from 5 to 10 signups a day. Workwithglenmurray.com. This is another one. Watch, it's going to be, there should be a pop-up for blog reviews, right? This is really cool. This is a ClickBank store that the reviews are under. Anyways, so this is another one. So these are websites that you're going to need, right? With reviews and stuff like that on. You can put all your stuff on there. So Namecheap would want to know that you have that kind of thing. Let's go back here. So you just go and set up a website. Autoresponder. Now, autoresponder is like, this is really important, guys. This is how you mail to your list every single day. And if you're not mailing your list every day, then you're not going to be making money. Okay, so you want to be mailing your list every single day, right? And you want them either to buy something or unsubscribe, because you don't want someone on your list that's just on your list. Makes sense? You don't want someone that's just on your list. You want someone either buying, that's going to buy what you're sending them, or unsubscribing, because you don't want to pay for more people on your list than you actually have that are buyers. So you want to clean your list, make sure it's clean. I've got a whole, I'll put a link here to an Aweber course. I love Aweber. I like it better than GetResponse. Lots of people like GetResponse. So again, if you wanted to put in your GetResponse link here, you could do that instead if you're a GetResponse affiliate, or if you're an Aweber. I like Aweber. I think it's better. All right, next off, we have a landing page builder. Now, lots of people like lead pages. Some people like systems. Some people like Groove. I really like ClickFunnels, and I like ClickFunnels. A couple things. It's sticky. Once people start making funnels with ClickFunnels, they stay. They use it all the time. They're continuing. They will stay there for years and years and years. You know, I've got people that signed up years ago for the classic ClickFunnels, and they're still on there. They're still paying me every single month. I get commissions. So the landing page builder is good. But again, I've got Groove. I've got all these other ones. I don't use them because ClickFunnels, just once you learn how to use ClickFunnels well, you can make landing pages for anything really quickly. And that's what you want to do, really. You really want to be able to make landing pages, promote them, get them into new products. When a new product comes out, make a landing page for it, send them to the new product, get that email, and then start sending them your offers or whatever it is. Or better yet, get this book into their hands so that you can then make income on all these things, right? Now, traffic is the lifeblood. So basically, traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. You need traffic, and we talk about paid traffic in this. We talk about silhouettes. So this goes on to give a little bit more information about each section. So website and hosting, it talks about what you need, install, like how to do it. Autoresponder, it talks about your autoresponder, how to set it up, choose autoresponder tool, set your autoresponder account, create your email account campaign. When you actually purchase the $10 version of Recurrent, you actually get there's a video in there that walks you through how to use these tools. And again, there's also the Aweber crash course, which is it would be similar to GetResponse. It's just not exactly the same steps and buttons, but it's the same concept. Okay. I like again, I just like Aweber. So that's the autoresponder, and then it goes into the landing page builder. It shows you exactly how to build these. Like, if you know, this is one I use to promote Michael Chaney's Millionaire Apprentice. So this is something I put this together in literally, it's like probably less than 6 or 7 minutes, and it's done, right? I just click new funnel. I basically pick one of my pages that's already done. I change out the text. I change out the image. I change out where where it points to, which list it's going to be added to, and then basically and then where it goes after I collect the email. Okay, so that's really, really simple there. And it talks about the landing page builder. Again, anywhere where you see blue or a link, guys, that's where you would put your commission link. Okay, then we talk about traffic. Now, in traffic, I say choose an affiliate program. Now, again, these are the top ones I recommend. Also, I recommend promoting recurrence, promoting this one little PDF that you're going to give away, because it's got all these links in it that you can make income from. So perpetual income, again, this is a recurring income. And if they end up going all in, which stops the recurring, it's a nice big commission. Legendary Marketer, they have multiple products that you can buy there, and you can all of a sudden, boom, you get a $500 commission out of nowhere from someone that joined Legendary a year ago, because all of a sudden they decided to go forward and start building their business. And then of course John Thornhill's Ambassador Program, which has a ton of products in it, and people go through and you can get on that. So those are just three of the ones I recommend. Again, guys, you would put your link in all three of these, right? These would be your links. Now, best traffic sources, I give 3 traffic sources to use in here. And again, you just put your link on, you become an affiliate them, go buy some traffic from these places and then become an affiliate. And then you would put your affiliate code right there. Easy peasy, right? Done like that. And then right here is where you would put your Warrior Plus affiliate link for Recurrence the Commission Code. That's basically it, guys. As it goes through, now I said I was going to talk about the funnels. Now the first funnel is the Inner Circle, and that's a $97 a year membership to an exclusive Facebook group where you get access to me one-on-one. You get, like, you don't have to pay for my my $150 an hour where we get on a Skype call, because you can actually get a hold of me in the Facebook group, and we can talk on there if you're in my group. As I build up, so this group is brand new because I'm just launching this. So as I build up, there'll be tons of training in there, training that you can't find anywhere else. It won't even be on my YouTube channel. It'll just be specific for my Inner Circle. If people have problems that they're having with software, we can walk through. We can make videos on how to correct that. We'll have swipes in there on campaigns, on how to be promoting stuff. I'll be putting in landing pages of new products that you'll be able to just copy that landing page, and as that product comes out, you'll be able to go in there and go, oh, I'm just going to copy that landing page, collect the email, send them, go get my affiliate link, send them to the new product. And that's basically how it works. And the last upsell, now this is a big ticket, and you can potentially make $1,000 on it, is let me go over to it here. Just hold on one second. Go here. Let me just find it. The last upsell is this one. Go to the live page here. All right. That's not it. I'm not showing me. It's this one. Okay. Let me go back to my. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is called the Product Creator. Now, this is a high ticket. This pays 50% commissions. It's $2,000, and we will build you your own product. Okay, and how we'll do that? We'll probably build an info product very similar to Recurrence, so that you will have your own product that you'll be able to get affiliates, and you'll be able to make. You'll get affiliate. You'll get people signing up. You'll get those emails. but you'll also be able to generate your own income from making your own product. And what we'll do is we'll structure it very similar to this. We'll do it together. We will build this out together. We'll launch it together. We'll split the profits 50-50. We'll make sure it works. We'll make sure we're approved. And then what we do is we do a joint venture of 50%, 50%. I actually use I have another partner in Warrior Plus that handles retargeting and PayPal. So when you do the split, it's actually it's a 40-40 split because 10% stays in the kitty and 10% goes to my other JV. So I'm just being completely honest with you. It is a 50-50 split, but it's a 50-50 split of the of the net, not of the total. So that's how that works. But regardless, don't think about that money you're making. Think about that you're becoming your own product creator, and then you can go ahead and model that product and start creating more and more of your own products. And you won't need me because you'll have the basically the whole thing. We will build the product on your account, so it's yours. We won't build it on my account. We'll build it on your account so that it's yours. We just set up the 50-50 thing. All right, that is how we do it, and this has the potential of making $1,000. So just being an affiliate here, you make 1,000. You make 100% of the front end, so that's $10. You make $50 a year on the recurring, right, for the membership in the inner circle, and then you can make $1,000 commissions for someone that wants to become a product creator. And that is how it works. So let's go back to me. So that is the whole thing. That is the recurrence, the commission code, the review, the walkthrough, the demo. Basically, now you could take this information and go make your own product. Go for it. I have no qualms. And I'm not putting any rights on it. But if someone is out there basically having a product that's called Recurrence, the Commission Code, then I'm going to be, hey, you know what? That's copyright. But if you want to take the information and go model it and do it yourself, you're totally welcome to it. You can take the free PDF that you go, model something very similar to it. I mean, it's nothing so secret that anybody can't do it. It's just the thing about it is like getting it done, actually people doing the actual work in order to make the money. You have to do the work, you have to do the stuff. And when you're setting a product for sale, there's lots of loops to jump through. This is a private sale right now. I'm opening it up to the public. So there's some things at Warrior Plus going, oh, you need this, and you need this, and you need this. So there's certain things you have to do when you're a product creator. But it's all simple, guys. It's point and click. This is affiliate marketing is seriously, it's point and click, copy and paste. That's all it is. There's no real other work. Like a lot of stuff now, you can also use ChatGPT to do the listing for you. You make a outline for what you want to create and just let ChatGPT write it for you. You can make it write in so many variety of ways. You can use prompts. I've actually got a video on how to make a lead magnet using ChatGPT. I did one for just a regular make money online lead magnet, and I did one for a weight loss one. So if you're interested, go check that out here. Same thing. Just go do it. There's affiliate links in it, and that's how you do it. All right, guys. This has been my Recurrence the Commission Code review, a walkthrough demo. I highly recommend go pick it up today. Get in there, join my inner circle. If you like the way that I teach, then make sure you want to be in the inner circle. Make sure you hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a ton of free training I do here. I'm just going to be adding more value inside the inner circle group. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.